Welcome to Sapa, my friends. Yeah, I just arrived to Sapa like 2 hours ago. Now it's like 5 in the morning, and yeah, the locals are doing the morning exercise, and I have been just walking around Sapa and yeah, just figure out where to stay tonight. If I should stay for, if I should pay a lot of money or be a cheap bastard. But here, yeah, here is Sapa. And yeah, so let's see what we will do in Sapa. Good morning. Yeah, so I took an overnight bus from Cát Bà Island to Sapa. And that arrived like 3 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, I did not plan that. I thought it was supposed to arrive like 5, so now, but yeah. So I will go for breakfast now, and then we will book something somewhere. But now, the Sapa is coming alive again, so that's nice. So let's start the day here in Sapa. Yeah, so after walking Sapa by night, I arrived to this place in Cát Cát Village. I will have a breakfast use, but they don't have breakfast. But this, yeah, it's very nice. So yeah, nice to sit down. Yeah, but this is Sapa. You look here, it's very green. Yeah, so I will go down to Cát Cát Village, and then I will check into a hotel actually first night, and then we will see how long I will stay in Sapa for. Yeah, so welcome to Sapa. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so now we are going up. Look at the view. I don't know if this, I think this is a guest house as well, maybe. But look here, I think it's a guest house. Or? I don't know. I don't really know, because they don't have any food, it was like just drinks here. But look here. So this is Cát Cát Village. So yeah, I will go down somewhere and have yeah, like brunch. Yeah, but first I will stay here for a while. Yeah, I stayed like way down here last time. I think you can hike from like Cát Cát to, I think it's called Mogong Village. The Cát Cát is like the most popular because it's closest to Sapa Central. But this, yeah, it's so green here now. Last time I was here was more muddy, so like the rice field is very green, so yeah. Huh. But it's only like 6 in the morning, 6:30. Ha! Yeah, it's another viewpoint up here. But it's a lot of dogs. Dogs, and yeah, you hear the morning in the village. I think it's actually is a homestay here. But he did not sell me into a room yet, so. Yeah. Wow. think I will do a thumbnail here. Welcome to Sapa! Yay! Yeah, here we have it, like you call that. Welcome to Cát Sapa. Yeah, so I will explore more of Cát Cát. So let's go and see more of the small village. Yeah, so now it's like 7 in the morning. Maybe it was a shop. Yeah. And now it's more. Now it's open a little bit more. So trams, so chic station. Yeah, so I will find somewhere to eat breakfast, I think. Ticket station for what? Shit. Yeah, you need to pay $5 to enter the Cát Cát Village of Sapa. I did not know that, so I was a little bit surprised that you have to pay. But I gladly paid, and now I'm in Cát Cát Village. Yay, I made it to a restaurant here in Cát Cát, and I ordered a mango and some pork, I think. Yeah, for breakfast. So yeah, so Cát Cát is a very touristy village. I don't think anyone lives here actually. It's just like waterfalls and souvenir shops, and you can go and dress like a local as well. Yeah, and you have to pay like an entrance fee to get in here. 150,000 dong. So like $5 or so. Yeah. But it's a cute place. Like yeah, some waterfalls. Yeah. So this will be my breakfast spot. Yeah, $5 breakfast in Vietnam. Yeah, so some pork, sticky rice, and some mango juice. So let's try it. And I'm sitting with just behind me is a waterfall. That is why the sound maybe it's not the greatest, but Oh. Very nice, yeah, indeed. Yeah, how much do you think a Coca-Cola costs here in Sapa at the best view? who knows? I have like 50,000. Hopefully that will be enough, but we will see. Yeah. So yeah, it was a good view. Let's see what the Coca-Cola cost. How much?
25. Hôm nay uống chai nước ngồi 2 tiếng đồng hồ rồi.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. So 25,000. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. So yeah, here you have some souvenir shops. But I think I will try and see if I can find a place to sleep tonight. Yeah. So let's go into the city of Sapa. I will not stay in some of the village tonight. Maybe I will do that in the next video. Oh, here we have sugarcane use as well. Hello. Hello, hello. So now I'm at my $15 room tonight. See which room I have. 7. Wow. Yeah. So this I paid $15 for. Yeah, nice. I don't have a view actually of the. I had hoped for a view from the. Yeah, but still, I will stay here for one night. Yeah, I think yeah. 207, yes. So this will be my room for one night, and water is included, and the TV, and hopefully they have Wi-Fi here as well. So I need to go down and check. Yeah. Yeah, but for $15, it's not bad. Like 400,000 dong. Yeah, let's see here. They don't speak any English here, so the incheck. Sometimes I want to film the inchecking, but sometimes it's yes, weird. And but here is the room. And I will go down and ask for Wi-Fi. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I have the view of the street. But my first room is a balcony, but I think it's a shared balcony with this room. So yeah. Huh.